Okay, now you got LHA of first box 400 centimeter square. Similarly, find the LHA of second box. LHA of second box, which is equals to formula is same 2h into bracket L plus B. So which is equals to 2 into h of second box. How much is there? 8 into L is 12.5 plus B is 10. So 2 into 8, 16 into 12.5 plus 10, you will get 22.5. So h is equals to 16 into 22.5. You will get 360 centimeter square. So LHA of first box is 400 centimeter square and LHA of second box is 360 centimeter square. Now what does the first question? Which box has the greater lateral surface area? So which one? That is first box. Therefore, first box has the greater LSA, that is lateral surface area, by how much? Just subtract both. 400 minus 360. So how much you will get? By 40 centimeter square. So first box has the greater LSA by 40 centimeter square more. This is about the answer for first question. Now second question. We need to find TSA of both the boxes. So TSA of first box, which is equals to, what is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, 2 into L 10, H also, B also 10 plus 10 into 10 plus 10 into 10, because for the first box all are same only, 10 only. So 2 into 10 into 10, 100 plus 100 plus 100. So 2 into 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. So which is equals to 2 into 300, 600 centimeter square. This is what TSA of first box. Similarly, find the TSA of second box, which is equals to formula is same 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into L, how much is there? 12.5 plus into B 10 plus 10 into H is 8 plus 8 into L is 12.5. So 2 into 12.5 into 10, 125 plus 10 into 8, 80 plus 8 into 12.5, you will get 100. So 2 into 125 plus 80, 205, 200 plus 5 plus 100, how much you will get? 305. So 2 into 305, you will get 610 centimeter square. So TSA of first box is 600 centimeter square and TSA of second box is 610 centimeter square. So now what does the second question? Which box has the smaller total surface area? So now which one? First box. Therefore, first box has the smaller total surface area TSA by how much? Subtract 610 minus 600, which is equals to 10 centimeter square. So first box has the smaller TSA by 10 centimeter square less. So this is about the solution of fifth question. We'll see the next question. Okay, students, let us see the next question, sixth one. A small indoor greenhouse herbarium means dried is made entirely of glass panes. So this indoor is made up of what? Glass panes. Entirely it is made up of glass panes only. And it is of the form cuboid because we are dealing with here cube or the cuboid only. So now, including the base. Including base also it is made up of glass panes. So held together with tape. Means for joining those all 6 spaces, what we use? So use insulin tape. So now it is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. Then what is the area of the glass? So area of the glass means for making that greenhouse we used 6 spaces of the glass panes. Means what we need to find? Total surface area of the what? Greenhouse. We need to find total surface area of the greenhouse. So here first of all write the given. What they are given? Length is equals to 30 centimeter. Sorry. Yes, it is right. 30 centimeter. Breadth is equals to 25 centimeter and height is also equals to 25 centimeter. Now first one we need to find TSA of greenhouse. TSA of greenhouse, which is equals to, what is the formula? 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HF. Okay, 2 into bracket L 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus H is 25 into L is 30. So which is equals to 2 into 30 into 25 750 plus 25 into 25 625 plus 25 into 30 750. So 2 into 750 plus 750 1500 1500 plus 625 you get 2125. So now 2 into 2125 you will get 4250 centimeter square. So 4250 centimeter square. This is what? TSA of greenhouse. That means the area of the glass used. Area of the glass used is how much? 4250 centimeter square. Next, second one. How much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? You know that cuboid has 12 edges. So cuboid has 12 edges. So for joining these all 6 spaces, what we use? Insulin tape. So now how to find the length of insulin tape used or how much insulin tape used? So here it is 12 edges means length of 12 edges we need to find. But all 12 edges are not same. So here in this it is length. Then opposite side is also it is length. So how many lengths become? 2. Next, for this opposite is this one. For this opposite is this one. That will also become length means 1, 2, 3 length. For this opposite is this. That is also become length means how many lengths become? 4 lengths. That is 4 side will become 4 length. Similarly 4 breadth and 4 height. Then you will get total length of the insulin. So tape used, which is equals to 4L plus 4B plus 4 height, all 4 edges. So which is equal to 4 into length, how much is there? 30 plus 4 into breadth, how much is there? 25 plus 4 into height, how much is there? 25. So now 4 into 30, 120 plus 4 into 25, 100 plus 100. So now 120 plus 100 plus 100, how much you will get? 320 centimeter. That means tape used for fixing the glass panes is how much? 320 centimeter. So this is about what? The solution of sixth question. We'll see the next question. Okay, students, let us see the next question. 7th one. Shanti Sweet Star was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. So Shanti Sweet Star, so order cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. So two sizes of boxes were required. So two different sizes boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 into 20 into 5 and the smaller of dimensions 15 into 12 into 5. So for all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. Means for making one box, area how much cardboard will require? Area of the or total surface area of the box. But for total packing of one box, again 5% of total area is required. For one box, it is required total surface area plus 5% of total surface area. Then it will make one box completely. So if the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 per 1000 centimeter square. So cost is how much? 4 rupees per 1000 centimeter square. Find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each. So how much cardboard is required? Cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes each means 250 small boxes and 250 bigger boxes. So first of all, find the how much area of cardboard required for one boxes. That means you need to find TSA of smaller boxes also and bigger boxes also. So let us write for bigger box. Dimension is what? 25 or let us write L is equals to 25 centimeter, B is equals to 20 centimeter and H is equals to 5 centimeter. Similarly, smaller box dimension L is equals to 15 centimeter, B is equals to 12 centimeter and H is equals to 5 centimeter. So they are given dimensions of smaller and the bigger boxes. Now let us find the TSA of smaller and the bigger boxes. TSA of bigger box, which is equal to, what is the formula? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, which is equal to 2 into L, how much is that? 25 into B, 20 plus B, 20 into H, 5, H, 5 into length, 25. So H is equal to 2 into 25 plus 20. So we will get 500 plus 20 into 5, 100 plus 5 into 25, 125. So 2 into, so 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 125, 725 So 725 into 2. How much you will get? 1450 centimeter square. So 1450 centimeter square. This is what TSA of bigger box. Now let us find 5% of this TSA. Now 5% of 1450. So which is equal to? So 1450 divided by 100 into 5. So here it is 1010 get cancelled. So 5 1 5 2 2 1 2 7 so 2 2 4 1 remain 2 5 10 that is 72.5 centimeter square. That is 5% of 1450 is how much? 72.5 centimeter square. So for making one box required cardboard sheet is now TSA plus 5%. Therefore cardboard required for making one bigger box which is equal to TSA is 1450 plus 5% 72.5. So which is equal to 1450 plus 72.5. You will get 1525 point. Sorry, how much? 1522.5 centimeter square. 1522.5 centimeter square. This is what cardboard required for making one bigger box. Similarly, find that, or let us find the total cost of this one now. Afterwards, we will find the cost for making the 250 boxes of smaller boxes. Now, cardboard required for making 250 bigger boxes. So which is equal to one box is how much? 1522.5 into how many boxes we need? 250. So which is equal to multiply those, you will get the answer as 380625 centimeter square. That is 3,80,625 centimeter square cardboard required for 250 bigger boxes. Therefore, cost for 250 bigger boxes which is equal to. So here they are given cost for the 100,000 centimeter square cardboard is 4 rupees. Then 3,80,625 centimeter square. How much it will need or how much it will cost? So 4 rupees per 1000 centimeter square. Now what we need for 3,80,625 centimeter square? It will cost how much? We need per means divided by. So 4 rupees per 1000 centimeter square cost. So we need for 3,80,625. So multiply this 4 into 3,80,625. You will get that 1522 500 divided by 1000. So here 2 just multiply 4 into 3,80,625. You will get that is 1,52,25,000. Sorry. So here it is 15,22,500. You will get that. Divided by 1000, 2020 get cancelled. So divided by 10 means you will get 1,522.5 rupees. This is for making 250 bigger boxes. It will cost how much? 1,522.5 rupees. Similarly now find the what? TSA of smaller box, 5% of smaller box, and carbon required for making one smaller box, and carbon required for making 250 smaller box, then cost, and add those two, you will get total cost for making 250 smaller and 250 bigger boxes. Let us see. So here only I will find now again. Smaller box. So same thing, 2 into LB plus BH plus HR. 2 into smaller box.